What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be building a gun store. Yeah, I'm bored and I have nothing else to do, so I guess let's just go right into it. Okay, so how we're gonna be building this gun store? I'm gonna be needing a lot of these blocks right here. I think that's tall enough. Now I just need this to go right there. And those. I'm gonna have this on standby.
Are you in your little hoodie?
What?
Oh no, nothing. I'm talking to my brother.
Oh, hey.
What? Okay. So I try to make guns.
L gun, bro. I'm so sorry.
I know. I was gonna say it looks sound bad, but you didn't let me finish.
It looks bad, Chuck. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking.
Okay, bro. So
I'm sorry. Ow. Okay.
Always rude. I am rude.
What do you mean I'm always rude, bro? Do you want me to send you to the DAC rooms?
No, I'm not saying you are good. It's just you're being mean.
No, it's
Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna go to the browser real quick. Actually, no, because it's probably gonna kick me out.
You know you can just reset your boundary. You know that, right? In the bathroom. Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, I'm pretty Sigma. What am I doing, bro? It's 2026. Yo, I think I have good enough walls for the gun store. Hey, you're mean. And I'm canceling you. You're done, buddy. Oh yeah, guys, look at my new fit. It's really sick. But trust me, I'm Sigma.
Huh?
Nothing. I'm talking to my viewer.
Dang, what?
What the flippy? For me.
Here.
What? These walls. Not these walls.
Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
I hate you.
Dick Devin.
Bro, I'm gonna have to put you down, bro. I'm sorry.
No. Wait, what? What you mean put me down?
Yeah, like a dog.
Okay. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Okay, bro. Might as well just get some of these up here, right?
What are you saying?
I'm saying goo goo gaga. Something's wrong with me.
Okay. Shh. Shut your mouth.
Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. Like, what? What's wrong? Bro, how long have I been recording for? Only 5 minutes. Okay, you guys are gonna see me building this, and I'm gonna do a time lapse. This is gonna take forever. Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Alright, bro. I'm not doing the time lapse anymore, bro. This little monkey. Bro. I hate this kid, bro. Fuck!
Corn.
You're a cornball. No, but you're a cornball.
Okay, bro. Like, shut your mouth.
No, you shut your skibbity mouth. Bro, skibbity dog dog dog, yes, yes. What is wrong with me?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go change real quick.
Bro poo poo himself and now he gotta go change. I'm sorry. I'm pretty Sigma. Wake up. I just poo pooed on
Yeah,
Grandpa.
Where's your camera, bro?
It's right here. It's right here.
Where?
What do you mean?
Pick it up. Put it right there.
Well, no, you're gonna be
Right here.
kissing it.
No, I promise I won't.
Here you are. Alright, bro. Alright,
Get
bro.
it, get it.
Are you okay, bro? I just heard you get crippled, bro. Nah, he ain't good. You good, man? Okay, I can finally do a time lapse since he's gone. Never mind, he's not gone, sadly. I'm joking. I'm done with building this, bro. Both eating the fire!
I hope you die in the fire!
Stay right there. Change it. That.
Okay. So, Bakalaka. Baka. Deku.
That was a good.
So I need this. I need it to be perfect. What's wrong with me? Okay, now he's gone. I can finally do a time lapse. So let's get right into that. Doing, bro? Man!